Right guys, what's going on? Swinging club vibes, it's literally so I'm gonna say. Queen actually approves. It's the way, you know? Not my style. But whatever you're into, I won't judge, I guess. Guesses get pretty nasty in here. I feel dirty already. I can't even speak. I've had no sleep. I'm surviving on coffee. I'm not even joking. Place is dark, place is trashed. Let's take you on a little explore. Safe. You know, every swinging club's got to have one. When I ask how much these things cost to come and have a little wicked wave with someone else's wife, I don't know. Not my style. Oh, here's the upstairs. Yeah, our office been on fire as well, guys. So I don't know how much of the upstairs we're going to do, etc. It's a bit burnt, should we say? Smell of it, man. I hate that smell. I know GoPros ain't the best in low light, so hopefully this is giving you some sort of light. Oh, locker area. What sort of stuff do you find in drawers of swinger clubs then? I didn't even want to touch anything. I ain't gonna lie to you. Oh, Christ, plenty of lockers, Jesus. Towels. This is interesting. How will the other half live? Do you swing? Do you condone it? Let me know in the description. What's your opinions on it? Basement vibes will be down there later, I know. It's quite a modern Wi-Fi. Broadband. We'll try and find out some information on this, guys, when that exactly was abandoned, etc. I don't even know where to go first. Right, so chairs covered up from the business that goes on them, or they covered up to be removing them? Interesting. Bandit. It's got some nice features in this place though. It's a shame it's so trashed and burnt. An orange. Kid you not. Carpets. Bench. A well. Turn back, yeah, right. There's legit a well in the middle of this place. Amazing. Desks. Cheap either, to be fair. It'd probably cost some money. Those umbrellas everywhere. Cleaning rooms, I don't know. This place just goes. Shutters. Bulbs. Washing machines. No smoke allowed. Pool area, okay, zone, we've got down for management. Oh man, look at that throw. Some Hugh Hefner shit up in this. That's what this is. pool. I even want to think of what's going on in there.
So many terrible, ungodly things.
Man, I feel dirty just walking around here. Shit.
There's some sex vouchers on the floor.
Is it?
All stuck together with spunk probably somewhere. Yeah.
Oh man.
Just definitely moved around, right?
Throw everything in the pool. Hey Dan, seen the Viking ship over here? Seen the Viking ship photo over here? On the floor? Man, I didn't even want to think what orgies are going on in that pool. Could you imagine? To Rome.
Nothing's wrong with hairy men, just that old, really disgusting
We're real men.
Like, that come with the wives.
2 men cuddling. I guess anything goes up in here. Dan, do you want to come recreate this photo? Oh man, what's that? Sauna area? I don't know. Steam room. Interesting. Let's get some photos. I'm not even kidding you guys. I've literally gone from where the pool is and we're in a sex cave. All the seating areas.
Can you believe this shit though? All these little there's one down here with bars on it.
What? Man, people are into some freaky stuff. There's even sanitizers and towels on the...
Fucking needs to be.
Man, I feel dirty just being in here.
Damn straight, man. Do you want me to follow you with my torch?
Seating areas. Can you imagine being the cleaner of this place?
Oh, the things that you would see.
Massage tables. Well, it's got to be happy ending tables, hasn't it? Bars.
Oh, look, there's
Checkers.
backyard rooms.
What?
One can only imagine the horrors that went on in a place like this.
Hits 80s. Oh, look at the wigs and everything.
No.
Oh, man. Got porno DVDs.
No.
Legit porno DVDs. A toilet.
Boys are finding all the rooms. All padded rooms there.
Area map.
Spacious me.
Oh man, that's a clean-up room. That's all your towels and Utopia. Lights on, leaving car park. Interesting. Right, let's pick it up out there, guys.
There we are, making our way through this.
We are going
Viciously toweled room.
to the Domination room, guys. No jokes. Oh, that's the chair, man.
The ceiling is mirrored.
When I was a kid, I used to dream of mirrored ceilings. Look at that.
There's on the wall in every.
Oh, can you imagine what's going on in that chair?
Oh Christ! Look at that.
Oh, on that, look at where you can get tied up and stuff on it.
This is my favourite graffiti. Your mum.
Your mum, me. I love it. Dan, we've got to have a photo on this. This place is wild, guys. No, not even joking. I love how she openly just sits on that, knowing exactly what's going on in
I
it.
know. It's
We're
terrible.
also going to be friends
Penis
with this place
on
now.
walls.
Yeah, because it's also going to become a friend from your mom.
It's definitely turning into one of the more interesting episodes, guys. That's all I'm going to say. No exit either. Once you're in here, you're in here.
This is sunbed.
Will we get out? So now it's just a quick stop from the little Domination room. We're now in the sunbed area. It's actually got a sunbed in here, which probably would have been worth a bit of money at some point. But they've just left it in here. Someone smashed it up. You know, getting your tan on before you actually felt good at something. And this place, I don't even know if I like it. It's creepy. Really creepy. I'm warm. Let's see where we're going. There they are, Domination. Rooms. Oh man, what the hell is that? Some acrobat or something? I don't even want to know what this room is. Hopefully that's tissue paper or not. Asbestos or something. A spaceship! It's gotta be some acrobat or something, isn't it? Spaceship! Members only. Hopefully we're avoiding the oh no, we're back in them. Back in the sex caves. This place is damn freaky, guys. First and last. Just got a major creep factor. I'm taking some pictures of this, guys. Catch up with you in a minute. See, we're literally back at that where the fire started, and we're having a little look upstairs, which probably isn't the wisest thing to do, but you know, you gotta take a look in these places. There ain't much floor. Nice breeze up here. These are all the little bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Interesting. Another bedroom. That smell of burning is just... Take a look at the other side, guys. Toilet area. Roof. A garden swing. Bedrooms. Not much thought. Burnt out pipes, that's exactly what that is. I guess this place got pretty hot. Not a whole lot to see up in here, guys. The way like the light is just melted. Interesting. So we are outside on the roof. Better up and in, I suppose. What do they say about flat roofs and all that stuff? But I couldn't resist not going for a little look. That was just my tripod. Right through to the front of the building. Definitely interesting. Right guys, final part of the explore is the basement. Of course I was going to send my old deer first.
It's really stinking.
Muddy.
Yeah.
Nah, I don't think they came down here.
The door's cool.
Door is cool. There we go. The door's cool, guys. That's going to be a wrap from me from the Swingers Club. It's been an experience. You can feel the dirtiness in you. It's not my style, that's all I'm going to say. So, yeah, let me know what you think. If you haven't, subscribe. And, yeah, Take care. See you at the next one. Boss out.